Today we are celebrating our new life in a new house, in a new city, and a new mom and dad's architectural consultant office. And for you kids, I allow you to design your own bedroom.
Yay!
Yeah, I want a pink one.
Oh, I want a surfer beach theme one.
Well, I want a pink one, but not too girly. It's a basketball theme. We want to have our own castle. Yeah, with unicorns. Yeah,
I don't want to share bedroom.
Hold on. Okay, I think you're gonna be the first clients of our office. What do you think?
Yay!
Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my show. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this magnificent outdoor barbecue grill. Let's go!
You will need any plastic container like this. If you think the size and the shape is right, just use it. You will need 2 of the very similar of them. And then you will need any plastic lid about this size. And another 2 smaller lids like this. And then 3 bamboo chopsticks or wooden dowel and a bunch of toothpicks. And besides hot glue, I'm also gonna use white glue. And let's get started. Okay, this will be the main body. And I cut this one using cutter. This is gonna be the pot lid. And of course, cutter didn't do it well, so let's fix it using scissors. Just trim it till you're happy with it. So, it's gonna be like this later. Now, let's continue to add the handles using the very similar leftover material. Because this is such a tiny part, I'm using white glue because I don't want to touch any hot glue on my hand. Of course, you will need a little more time to wait for it to dry. Just be patient. Now, it dried already. Do the same for this part. Now you can attach the handles using hot glue. We need some glue that dries fast. But I already have something that holds it still from slipping. There! Did you get what I mean? Now let's put these parts together using hot glue. It doesn't have to be exactly this size. I'm just so lucky to find the perfect one. And now I cut the bamboo chopsticks into this size. These are gonna be the legs of the pot. Just make sure the whole barbecue grill is gonna be this high. So this is it. Just try to make something looks like this. And we're not gonna waste this part. We're gonna use it to strengthen the structure. Now, of course, we need to make the grill using some toothpicks. I glued 2 toothpicks together like this using white glue just to make it a little longer. I just love the skinny size of toothpicks. Just like what I need for the grill. And then just take the previous container lid. It really helps to make the grill into a perfect size. So first you need to arrange them like this. If you're happy with it, glue it together using white glue. Just like I said, white glue needs a little more time to dry, but it's safer for a small project because I don't want to touch any hot glue on my hand. Don't touch it until it's really dried. When the glue turns clear, it means it dried already. This is what you have to do before taking it off from the lid. The grill is almost done. It's still wiggling in some parts, but doesn't matter. Now, of course, we need to paint it silver to make it look like metal. I'm using silver acrylic paint. Actually, it doesn't look metal enough, but it's just the best idea I have. And then I make the charcoal out of black paper crumble. I'm going to seal the grill to the pot using white glue because I don't want to melt the plastic with hot glue. Don't be afraid to use too many glue. And this is it. Next, we need to paint the legs using one similar color, black. I'm using another acrylic paint. But since I already love the color of the pot, I'm not gonna paint it. But of course you can paint it if you like, red perhaps. And for the final touch, I'm adding wheels to the legs, just to make it look like a portable outdoor barbecue grill. And we're done! So, how do you like it? Did I miss something? Of course, the food. Let's make these simple barbecue kebabs and steak using toothpicks and some tiny wooden bits like these. Just simply put it like this. You don't have to glue it. To make the steak, I'm using a stack of brown paper. Stack them together using white glue. Just make it until you find the thickness you like. There! It's thick enough but thin enough to be cut with scissors. Just cut any random shape. And then, add the grill mark using brown marker. So, if you have any other idea about the barbecue food, of course it's gotta be better. Maybe you can leave your comment down below about the ideas.
This is a quite big kebab for me.
Well, just don't bother. That's the tiniest I can found.
Alright. How about the steak? Wow, this is such a big steak. It's twice my palm size.
It's because if I make it smaller, it goes down through the grill. And it happened. Just eat it.
Alright.
Oh, by the way, I add a little red paper crumbles to make it look like some burning charcoal. What do you think?
I'm sure you will need this portable outdoor barbecue grill. Grab it fast before it's sold out. So, I hope you like it and see you in my other dollhouse show. Bye!